Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, very insane move on all the dollar pairs, including gold and a bunch of other stuff today, because there was apparently some fake news about Trump firing Powell. And then, all within an hour, Trump made a statement that that is not true. So, definitely had a big effect on the markets. I would consider this a real break of structure, and I definitely was the first break of structure in this series of lower lows, lower highs. So the first break of structure means that this whole wave down is very likely complete. I think this whole wave down is a wave A, but I will not rule out the possibility of it being a wave one. I bet this first little spike up is the A of B or an A of two. That means that we're likely over the next probably few days, few trading days, going to make some sort of a three-way pullback, probably for some sort of an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, likely up to at least a 61, maybe even the 78% Fibonacci retracement before we make another push down for a wave C or a wave 3. But I would definitely expect this wave B or 2 to last at least probably minimum 3 trading days. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.